Hello everyone. An energetic morning to one and all present here and my honorable sir. Good morning sir. And thank you so much sir to give me this golden opportunity to stand here and speak here. So first of all I would like to tell you about my self intro and after that I would like to tell you about my topic. So as you know I am Sandhya Pal and I have done my schooling from Government Girls Higher Secondary School Riva and my graduation is running from Girls Degree College and I am a judiciary aspirant. Now I would like to tell you about my topic. So my topic of this day is youth generation and the power of students. You know what's the power of students? We all are a student. I'm also a student, so I know what's the power of student. And I think you all should know what's the power of students. So I want to tell you that we can change the country and youth is the future of the country. And it is also true that youth generation is the second line of damnation. And it is more true than that youth is the captain of the hypotenuse and geometry. You all are a student. I want that you should make history, and especially girls, be ready for your future because you have to make the country and you have to organize the country, especially India because India is a great country. But in this time, India is not a great country. You know, you all are know why. So I will not tell you because you all know. And you know what's the problem of this generation? Everybody wants to be rich, but nobody wants to work hard because they all are busy in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter and blah blah blah. I'm not saying that don't use social media. I also use social media, so I will not suggest you that don't use social media. You use, but firstly you should do your work because you have to organize the country and you have to make the history, especially girls. Please make your history. I want to tell you two names. First of all, Avni Chaturvedi, who is first Indian pilot, and second, Priyamvada Shukla, who is civil judge 2019. Please, I request you girls, please make your history because India is a great country. Now I want to say some lines for this generation. चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, तू खुद की खोज में निकल तो क्यों हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. Now I want to say I am very grateful, I am very thankful that Bhuvan sir is my teacher and one line always comes from my heart that I feel very lucky to be his student. And I want to say that thank you so much sir to teach me, guide me, and you are really a great energetic personality and please, sir, keep telling me a right path. So thank you so much everyone to listen me carefully and girls especially be ready for your future because you have to make the country and you have to make your history. Thank you so much.